Guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren, im Namen von der ganzen Kabinenbesatzung heiße ich Sie auch recht herzlich willkommen an Bord diesem Swiss und Star Alliance Flug nach Barcelona, der heute 1 Stunde und 30 Minuten dauern wird. Mein Name ist Natascha Graf und ich bin Ihre Maitre der Kabine. Wir bitten Sie jetzt zu kontrollieren, dass alle Ihre elektronischen Geräte entweder in Flugmodus oder ganz ausgeschaltet sind. Besten Dank und die ganze Besatzung wünsche Ihnen eine angenehme Reise. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the whole cabin crew, I would like as well to welcome you on board the Swiss and Star Alliance flight to Barcelona, which will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. My name is Natascha Graf and I'm your maitre de cabine. We kindly ask you to check now that all your electronic devices are set to flight mode or completely switched off at this time. Thank you. On behalf of the whole crew, I wish you now a pleasant stay on board.
May we have your attention, please, for the following presentation about safety on board. Your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. It's forbidden to place hand luggage in front of the bulkhead seats or the emergency exits. For safety reasons, please make sure that mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are either set to flight mode or completely switched off for takeoff and landing. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket. Please fasten your seatbelt now, as we are taking off. Because turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you are obliged to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated until the aircraft comes to a full stop after landing. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, the use of the lavatories is not permitted. For takeoff and landing, make sure that the back of your seat is in a fully upright position and that your tables are folded away. Secure infants with the infant's belt, which will be distributed by your flight attendant if needed. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not permitted at any time on board. Smoking in the lavatories is dangerous and will activate a smoke alarm. If cabin pressure is lost, oxygen masks will be released automatically. Pull the mask towards your face and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen. You may use either position. To evacuate the aircraft, follow the illuminated escape path markings. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and the safety onboard card. Your life jacket is located under your seat. Pull the life jacket over your head and attach the strap. Do not inflate your life jacket until you leave the aircraft. Pull the strap until the life jacket is properly adjusted. If the life jacket does not inflate or needs more air, blow through the rubber tube. The safety on board card shows the various procedures and the use and location of the safety equipment. Please study the card carefully. In an emergency, you must follow the orders given by the crew. Thank you for your attention.
darauf hin, dass das Rauchen an Bord nicht gestattet ist und aus Sicherheitsgründen bitten wir Sie, sich anzuspannen, wenn Sie Ihren